Right, let's try and test a few of these joints. What's this? I've really got to standardise some of this stuff. So that's like the upper arm rotation, that's fine. Servo 0. Not too much pull on that one. Extension, lateral extension. Servo 1. Yeah, servo 2. This is the new elbow. Up and down with the hand. Haven't got the wrist or any of the fingers plugged in at the moment because I'm just testing the arm joints. And then let's go. Have we got? Yeah, we're still on. Nod your head for me, dear. And then shake your head. Good stuff. Right. Let's see. Does the AI still work?
It's a fine evening for some problem solving. Do you have any good problems for me to solve?
No. How's about an Aesop's fable? Fable.
The fable of the dove and the crow. A caged dove was boasting of the large number of offspring which she had hatched. A crow, hearing her, said, "My good friend, cease from this unreasonable boasting. The larger the number of your family, the greater your cause for sorrow in seeing them trapped inside of that prison. Without freedom, we cannot enjoy the other things in life."
Ah, there you go.